Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? It's Apple Tech Review. Today I have some news for you regarding changes to operation of Qatar vaccination centers. So guys, for your information, if you are not aware of this news, just take note that the Hamad Medical Corporations in a tweet announced the upcoming changes to the operations of vaccination centers with the opening of the new vaccination center. So this was just announced today that the Lusail drive-through and Al Wakra will be closing in the next 2 weeks. Also QNCC center, if you haven't received your vaccination, just know in the next 2 weeks these 3 centers will be closing. That is Lusail drive-through and Al Wakra drive-through, and that is Qatar National Convention Center, QNCC, will also close over the next 2 weeks. So you have to be aware of that. And as per announcement, Lusail COVID-19 drive-through has closed today. Has closed today, that is 23rd. Then Al Wakra COVID-19 drive-through will be closing on Wednesday 30th June. That means this month, at the end of this month of June, that is 30th, it will be closing. And then the last day of operation for the QNCC will be on Tuesday 29th June. So take note on that one, that these 3 centers will be closing in the next 2 weeks, and the new Qatar vaccination center for business and industrial sector, significantly boosting capacity of the national COVID-19 vaccination program. It is considered as also among the biggest COVID-19 vaccination centers in the whole world. It has opened, so take note on that one. Don't be left behind. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Leave your comments if you need to know anything. Leave your comment below. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.